And what you see on screen right now is one way that we enable coordination in Decasonic, and this is through our AI multiplayer chat. It allows for the orchestration and coordination across different entities, including human teammates, agentic teammates, skills, MCPs, files, knowledge bases that we have more broadly. In the back end is an agentic harness. On the front end is a chat interface with a singular orchestrator called Kai that we can interact with and is able to spawn sub-AI agents on our behalf as well. And what you should understand for the purposes of maybe this demonstration, future ones, MCPs, essentially a means of communication between two different systems, often referred to as a USB-C for AI agents from certain frontier model layer labs, and it came out of Anthropic. We're going to showcase 3 different MCPs orchestrating with our internal systems across skills, files, contexts, and our human teammates. And we're going to kick it off with Scenario, which does image and video generation as one of those MCPs, Orthogonal doing skills and API orchestration. Both of these are Decasonic portfolio companies, and Venice doing private AI use cases as well, probably very familiar to a Web3 and AI-centric audience. So kicking off the video, having a harness and essentially owning your system end-to-end allows you to select as many models as you want, and each one of those are specialized for certain use cases. I am going to start with Scenario, and I'm going to ask it to create an image for me using Decasonic's context, knowing what it knows about our most up-to-date thesis and the use cases that we also envision internally as well. And you can see this on screen where the orchestration is happening, and an image is going to be generated in a second. Obviously, there's so much more that you can do from a feedback perspective to refine this image. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to ping my marketing manager, Ayana, in order to go ahead, apply Decasonic's branding and her expertise to enhance this image. In the second utilization of MCP, we're going to use Orthogonal to research more on Prisma X, who's bringing robots actually on stage during the product showcase. So check those guys out, Decasonic portfolio company, and they're doing services layer for AI. A report is being synthesized and generated on screen. You're able to see it right now, and it provides you with essentially team information, description, and other information that we think is relevant from an investment perspective. So I'm going to go ahead and ping both Paul and Justin to actually take a look at these reports and write a case study on Prisma X. In our third MCP utilization for orchestration, Venice, what we're going to do, considering its emphasis on privacy, I'm going to give it access to my code base. And I'm going to tell it, knowing what you know about my code base, provide me with your recommendation for enhancements that I can do. And there's only some MCP files that you can even trust with a use case like this. And I'm pinging right now my essentially operations lead or AI operations engineer in order to take a look at this and provide me with his human recommendation as well. So coordination enables the AI economy to scale by primarily enabling orchestration. And one thing to tease out from what Paul said regarding our roadmap too is that we're actively working at Decasonic on predictive context and being able to write it on chain and being able to have agents leverage as well to take future actions.